My name is Dinesh Victor. I am the Managing Director of SIP Academy India and also Global Art India. And today we are having a competition for the entire city of Karnataka, state of Karnataka and city of Bangalore for our Global Art program. So this competition we do only once in a year. And so last year we had one, and then after that we are having 1 year later. So quickly, what is Global Art? So Global Art is a program which is for children in the ages about 5 years to about 15 years. And it's a very unique program which helps children to develop their basic strong art foundation and also develop many other skills like creativity, the ability to express themselves. And that really helps them in real life to be unique and stand out. So we started this in India in 2005, so it's almost 19 years, and close to 1 lakh children have studied in the last 19 years across the last 19 years. So this program started off in Malaysia originally, and it's now running in about 22 countries. So it's a very unique art program. And Global Art India is the largest art program in India for children. So today's competition is also very unique. There are about 350 children who come from all over Bangalore. And in this competition, the topic will be given on the spot. So we gave a topic on the spot, and the children are not aware what is the topic going to be. So just they will be given the topic, and they will be given a certain time to think how they can draw and then color and complete the whole picture. And you will see at the end of the competition, all the pictures are different. You will have 350 different pictures, and then we will be evaluating them, and today evening only we will be giving them the prizes. So there are broadly 4 categories of children based on the age groups. So 5 to 7 years one category, then we have 7 to 9 years one category, then 9 to 12 and about 12 years. 4 categories, what we call ABCD, on which the pictures will be evaluated and prizes will be given.
So from how many schools have been gathered over?
So they from all over Bangalore. So we have almost 2,000 children in Bangalore. So almost all the top schools. I think Mrs. Salil can give better explanation on the kind of schools. Mrs. Salil, who is the state head for Karnataka, he can tell you what schools they are from in Bangalore.
Yeah. So I'm headed for Global Art. So we've been operating for last 18 plus years in Bangalore. We have got about 32 plus centers here, and today's competition we have about 350 plus children are participating. The essence of our program, as our managing director said, we help children to think and imagine. Okay, we have children to be more creative, and that is what is the essence of our program. And children today also are going to create their own unique artwork based on the theme that we announced. Okay, so that is going to make children more confident that they can create something independently. And we have got students from all the premium schools across Bangalore who are there as our students. We have got about 2,000 plus children who are actively taking global art classes today in Bangalore.
Okay, so how many schools have been got selected, and how many students are over here, and how we are going to segregate and give the prizes to the
So prizes, as Mr. Dinesh said, it's going to be in 4 different categories, and we'll have champion, first runner-up, second runner-up, and also based on merit, we are going to give. You can see the displays. These are all prizes meant for the students who are participating today. And,
so about, I think, close to 70-80 schools across Bangalore will have children to come
Yes.
here. At least 70 to 80 schools will be there, children. But they come to our own centers. So we are not taking them to school directly. From the school they come to our centers. Like Salil mentioned, about 32 centers we have. So from those centers, the children are participating here. So centers are in each location. Like we have a center in Harloor, we have a center in Rajarajeshwari Nagar, we have a center in Whitefield, we have a center each Bannerghatta, we have all centers all over the city. So from those centers, children are coming for the competition.
so these are all exclusive branded global art centers.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.